Traders, I have a couple of ideas here with this Ethereum chart. First up, it's been trending up. It ranged, and then we had this massive rally followed by an equally impressive sell-off. You want to be a little bit careful in the markets. This is really volatile. But in saying that, here's a couple of opportunities that could be a thing. So having a look at these lows, this is a big level. It's respected it however many times here. And you're going to find there's going to be a significant number of orders in the order books resting under here. We've got the stops from this range and this rally that are being targeted at the moment. Now, it hasn't really tapped into these yet. It's had a bit of a go at it, but there's a lot more liquidity resting further under here. And we have, well, we've got this balance area down in here that is a level of interest, right? So I'm inclined to look for a buy based on how significant this level is. Not at the current level, but what I'm thinking could happen here is perhaps something like this. These lows, we've got a double bottom here. Quite often, if this is looking to continue bullish, quite often you'll see where there's a double bottom, price will hunt stops under that. So let's just say we get something like that, and then our move. I'm inclined to set up a limit buy right at the base of these candle wicks down in here, anticipating some sort of liquidity stop hunt thing. And stop loss under here, go for a 1 to 2 risk reward minimum. So that's my 1 to 2, and that would be quite a nice setup. Now, here's another thing to consider. Have a look at this. Look, every swing, every price swing, right? Low to high, retraces. Low to high, retraces. Low to high, retraces, etc. High to low, retraces, right? That's the concept. So let's go with pending buy down in here. Stop under these lows. I think that could be okay. And grab the Fibonacci, and the retrace I'm always looking for is into the 61.8. Right, so here we've got the 50 to 618. So I'm thinking that this possibly, gives us that. Let's take that out. So, look, if you're in front of the charts, you can watch it. And the thing that you're going to be looking for down here is going to be the rotation. So, rotation as in it might range, spikes under, and then we start to see a series of higher highs and higher lows on the lower time frame. That setup then would be a formation to go long. So you could wait for that. Now, if you're not in front of the charts, then setting up a limit buy, something like that would work. And then up in around here, see this this range low coincides with the 50 to 618 Fibonacci zone. Well, you'd look for the same thing. Short position, I would go in something like that. All right, now you've got this green candle, last bullish candle prior to the this sell-off. I'd go stop up in around there, something like that. Go for a 1 to 2. There it is. Keep your risk consistent. In other words, if it's of $100 value, then you're risking $100 on this one, and you're also risking $100 on this one. That way you can measure your success rate, and you're keeping a good handle on risk. You're managing your risk well. But again, if you're not in front of the charts, you can set pending, buy and sell. But if you're in front of the charts, then what you want to do is wait for the price action to, in other words, trades up, does whatever it does a bit of a spike. There's our stop loss. All right, let's just get that out of the way, right? Let's just say something like that. All right, you go for a wider stop then. But you know what I'm getting at. All right, something like that, guys. Wait for the setup if you can. And so look, with that, that's my take on Ethereum at the moment. And yeah, comment. Love to hear your thoughts. Have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next video.